3001, disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night, ma'am. Bullshit 1595.
Coming out, Lima, 0.75.
Cross flight 915.75, the other side, Gulf 2684.
Delta 1971, up Papa, cross runway 90 left, on Lima, 0.75.
Cross line of Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438, up Papa, cross runway 90 left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross line left to Papa, Delta 4438.
Madame, Monsieur, bonjour et bienvenue à bord. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. La représentation qui va suivre concerne votre sécurité à bord. Merci de nous accorder votre attention. For your safety and comfort, please pay attention to the following safety performance. Chaque fois que ce signal est allumé, vous devez attacher votre ceinture. Elle soulignera élégamment votre taille, tout en garantissant votre sécurité. Nous vous recommandons de la maintenir attachée de façon visible lorsque vous êtes à votre siège. Pour détacher votre ceinture, soulevez la partie supérieure de la boucle. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be securely fastened. It will elegantly highlight your waistline while ensuring your safety. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times while seated. To release the seatbelt, just leave the buckle. Il est strictement interdit de fumer dans l'avion, y compris dans les toilettes. Vous verrez, sans tabac, c'est plus chic. This is a no-smoking flight and it is strictly prohibited to smoke in the toilets. A no-smoking flight is simply chic. En cas de dépressurisation, un masque à oxygène tombera automatiquement à votre portée. Tirez sur le masque pour libérer l'oxygène, appliquez-le sur votre visage. Une fois votre masque ajusté, il vous sera possible d'aider d'autres personnes. If there is a sudden decrease in cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will drop down automatically in front of you. Pull the mask towards you to stop the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Make sure your own mask is well adjusted before helping others. En cas d'évacuation, des panneaux lumineux vous permettent de localiser les issues de secours. Repérez maintenant le panneau le plus proche de votre siège. Il peut se trouver derrière vous. In case of an emergency, the illuminated signs will help you locate the exit doors. Take a moment now to locate the sign nearest you. It may be behind you. Les issues de secours sont situées de chaque côté de la cabine, à l'avant, au centre, à l'arrière. Emergency exits on each side of the cabin are located at the front, in the center, and at the rear. Pour évacuer l'avion, suivez le marquage lumineux selon les instructions de l'équipage. In the event of an evacuation, walk along the illuminated path and follow the crew's instructions. L'emplacement de votre gilet de sauvetage est indiqué sur l'étiquette devant vous. The location of your life jacket is indicated on the label right in front of you. Passez la tête dans l'encolure, attachez et serrez la sangle. Place it over your head and pull the stripe tightly around your waist. Une fois à l'extérieur de l'avion, gonflez votre gilet en tirant sur la poignée rouge. When you are outside the aircraft, inflate your life jacket by pulling the red toggle. Soyez tendance durant ce vol. Réglez vos appareils électroniques en mode avion. Because it is trendy here, set your electronic devices on airplane mode. L'équipage vous informera des conditions d'utilisation de vos équipements pendant le vol. Si vous n'utilisez pas vos appareils électroniques, nous vous invitons à les éteindre et à les ranger. The crew will inform you about the conditions of use of your equipment during the flight. If you do not use your electronic devices, we invite you to switch them off and stow them away. En cas de perte d'un appareil électronique, évitez toute manipulation de votre siège et prévenez l'équipage. In case of the loss of an electronic device, please avoid manipulating your seat and call a crew member. Pour votre sécurité, vos bagages et les appareils les plus volumineux doivent être rangés pendant le roulage, le décollage et l'atterrissage. For your safety, your baggage and your biggest devices must be stowed away during taxi, take-off and landing. Nous allons bientôt décoller. We'll be taking off shortly. La tablette doit être rangée et votre dossier redressé. Please make sure your tray table is stowed away and secured, and that your seat back is in the upright position. Une notice de sécurité, placée devant vous, est à votre disposition. Pour toute question, l'équipage est à votre écoute. We encourage everyone to read the safety information leaflet located in front of you. If you have any questions, our crew is here to help you. Merci pour votre attention. Au nom de toute la compagnie Air France, nous vous souhaitons un excellent vol. Thank you for your attention. On behalf of the whole Air France company, we wish you a very pleasant flight.
Papa 2684 company. Number 3514 Papa cross one on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
And Papa cross 9 left, 175, 3514.
438, track 2.5 out, cross one on the right, then turn left on November.
Right, left on November, Delta 438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and over, hold short of Papa, Southwest 9012. Denver 3301, disregard traffic.
Sergeant, good night.
Good night, man. Bullshit 1597.
Turn one on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
Cut across, flight 9 left on Lima, 0.75.
That's 1971 at Papa Bravo, one on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
That's not a Papa Joy Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Double 2438 at Papa Bravo, one on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
Left side left to Papa, over 1.75, Delta 4438. And departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure, sir. Good night, thanks. Left 2557 on Aberoni, runway right, sir. Clear takeoff, A right on Aberoni, 277, Southwest 5614, on a Terramite, right, line up and wait. A right, line up and wait, Southwest 5614. For this, alright. 2338, taxi by the group. Taxi by the group, 13. 629, can I depart? 629, get in. On 1708, runway 8 left, clear land. Clear line 8 left, hold the 15.
It's on November, hold short of Papa.
Okay, cross 9 right, and Sierra Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2449. 48 right, first takeoff, Southwest 5314. Delta 503, on a Terramite, right, line up and wait. Here, right, line and wait, Delta 5.
That's on November behind Southwest.
Now we're on 3 cross. That's on November. Stop 1370, 10 5, take a look up 1370. On a Terramite, right, on a plate. Line of plate A right, 0.365. Papa, and then, 10.5, that was my fault.
Double 1376 at Papa Bravo, coming on the left, John Lima, 0.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. At the approach end, approximately left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi on the 8 right. Okay, clear to cross, 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, finish 7 point west. That's 1938, give way to Fenix at hotel. Give way to Fenix at hotel, about 2030. Fenix 724, became tower frequency 125.32. 2532, Fenix 7.1. 85 heavy town with 1708, runway 8 left, turn left. That was 4690, head to effectively Bravo 11, taxi 16. Bravo 11, excellent,
Mm-hmm.
Delta 766, on Aberoni, runway 8 right, 6, take off. 8 right, clear to take off on Aberoni, Delta 766. Delta 1682, on a Terramite, 8 right, on a plane. Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right. Delta 1705,
Up 1705, line of sky, 1807, coming out of right, clear to land.
Clear to land, man, range up.
7 on the widest, coming out of the Mike 26, take off. So 1198, 107, on the Mike 2 miles away, quick away from Trail Station, traffic will be downfield.
5130, line of sky, 1807, coming out of right.
American 629 on a Paramount, right, on a plate. On a way, red, American 629. Got a South 61, kind of departure, get it. South 61, get it. American 25, that's basically, so we'll give away the FedEx, that hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, Roger.
Delta 3514, cross runway 9 left, join Lima, 0.75.
That Papa Cross 9 west, 0.75, there, 3514.
438, traffic 2.5 out, cross going out of right, then turn left on November.
Right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and over, hold short of Papa, Southwest 9012. Denver 36, go 1 disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night, 466,
Coming out of left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cut across 9 left on Lima, 0.75, right,
Delta 1971, up Papa Cross going out of left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438, at Papa Cross going out left, join Lima, 0.75.
Left side left to Papa, over to 6.5, Delta 2438. And departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure today. Flight 7557 on Ambroni, runway 9, clear for takeoff. Clear takeoff, take right on Ambroni, 7557. Southwest 6614 on a Paramount, right, on the way. 8 right, right up away, Southwest 6614. For this, alright. Up 2338, taxi 5 Taxi 02, go 2030. 649, can I depart today?
649, on November, hold short of Papa.
Take crossing 9 right, and then secure Carolyn left on November, short of Papa, 48 right from takeoff, Southwest 5614. Jump stop, 03 on a Paramount, right, on the way. You're right, on the way.
Next on November behind Southwest.
$1,000.
Give way to 1717 from the left, taxi on the 8 right. Okay, clear to cross, keep left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to 717, FedEx 724 in. That's 1938, give way to FedEx at hotel. Give way to FedEx at hotel, that's 2038.
FedEx 724, every change in power frequency 15.32.
2532, FedEx 724.
85 heavy power, 1708, runway 8 left, clear to land.
500.
That was 2690, exit Texas.
400. Approach in minimums. 300 minimums. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. Retard. Retard.
03. Delta 766 on that Browning runway, right, hey, right, clear signal on that Browning, Delta 1682 on a runway, right, on a plane. Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, right.
Mhm.